Hey guys, it's Charlotte, and today's video is going to be a Halloween themed video. And what we are going to do is, this is kind of like a makeup slash semi-costume creation of Sailor Moon. So as you can see, I'm wearing my Sailor Moon shirt. I'm not going to get like too costumed up, but yeah, basically we're gonna do makeup and I'm gonna style a wig that I have and we're gonna become Sailor Moon best we can. I'm not gonna put on the wig till the end because I'm gonna do my makeup first, but this is a beautiful wig that I got from Trendy Wigs. The one I got is Elsa, and you guys can use my code CW30 for 30% off your purchase of any wigs. And you guys can wear this not just for Halloween, you guys can wear it just like every day if you want long blonde hair. I know that I wish mine still had my extensions in. Maybe I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what it looks like. But otherwise, we are going to just get into the makeup tutorial. This headband is kind of trash, but honestly, it really helps pull my hair back without like destroying my bangs. Okay, so I'm going by a couple reference photos of Sailor Moon. I'll put them on the screen here. So we're gonna just try to recreate the look best I can. I'm not a professional makeup artist. The first thing I notice is that she has very pale skin. So my skin already is pretty pale, but I'm going to just use a BB cream to go overall and palify my skin best I can. I'm just putting on some primer, Professional, because I always do that when I do my makeup routine, even if I'm not wearing foundation. I usually don't wear foundation, honestly, but for this, just to do the whole look, we're going to. I'm also going to go over my lips with this concealer just because her lips are very fine and they aren't really defined or have a color. So just to give us like a neutral base. Okay, foundation is on. Now I'm just going to cover up any imperfections. I only have a couple today. My skin's been doing good. So just going to use my Lancome green concealer first to put it on top, and then I'll put on the concealer just to perfect my skin. I love my Beauty Mark, and I don't usually like covering it up when I do makeup, but since Sailor Moon herself doesn't have one, I'm gonna use the Lancome, same, but it's in like an orange, and this helps get rid of any dark like browns or purples. And I'm also gonna put this under my eye to get rid of and conceal any dark circles. You barely have to use any two, so this Lancome color correctors are like so good. Okay, so now I look ridiculous, but we are going to get my concealer. Today we're using the NARS concealer in Vanilla, and I'm just going to go over those spots and under my eyes. We're going to go in with my mini beauty blender, which I love this. Oh my god, they like upped the price on it, but it's so good, and we're just going to blend. Okay, so that's done. Now to set the concealer and foundation, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier little shimmer highlight thing. Put this under the eyes. Oh my god, I'm already looking like so one-toned, but that's how she looks. So then we're going to go in with my, also Laura Mercier, I didn't know both of mine were Laura Mercier, translucent powder just on the rest of my face. Okay, we're done with that, and now the next thing we're going to move on to, since our base is done, is usually I do my eyebrows right now. So I look at her, and hers are very thin and like not that pronounced either, but I don't want to just like draw a line on my eyebrows, so we're just going to kind of try to make it modernize Sailor Moon, and I'm just going to go in with my Benefit Gimme Brow in Blonde, and I'm just going to lightly make my brows a bit darker so it just has some definition. Okay, there we go. My brows are just slightly defined. Dust off the powder off my face. And now we're moving on to the dimensions of the face. So I'm looking at Sailor Moon's face, and she has a very, very like triangular jaw. So what I'm going to do is go in with my little sample of the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, and I am just going to really try to carve out my jaw. I already have like a pretty triangular jaw, but I'm going to try to just define it even more. I'm not really going to put any here because I'm going to have bangs on the wig and we're not really going to see that. To move on, we are now going to do my nose. So I look at her nose. Her nose looks very tiny, has a bit of brown under here, and kind of does a turn up. So my nose kind of does that, but usually I contour it anyways. She doesn't really have a nose bridge, so I'm going to try to like unshape my nose bridge and try to get rid of any shadows around here and add like a shadow under here. Basically, it's like I'm face tuning. Watch out, James Charles. Okay, now we are going to go in like, oh, first that was this color. So I'm going with the lightest color for here. And then to kind of shape under the nose and stuff, I am going to use this one. Which I don't know what the color is, but it's the lightest of the dark. Okay, and it even looks like a bit darker up here, like her whole nose kind of has some darkness, like the tip, to really like define that part of it. So I just put like a little bit around there, and now we are going to go in. I never contour my nose like this, so this is kind of different for me. Okay, now just to like set that again, we are going to go in with my Makeup Forever Professional Sculpting Kit. First we'll do the white. Dab this all over the part that we're wanting to keep white and kind of just matte. And then the rest go into the brown, go underneath, and then kind of around. Just to kind of like set that so that stays in place. Am I Sailor Moon yet? No, but we'll keep trying. Now we move on to the highlighter. I'm gonna just put a tiny bit on the very, very like top of my nose because her nose looks really pointy. So I want mine right at the tip. So I just put a very tiny bit there. Oh, you can see it on camera. Yes! And she doesn't really have highlighter, but just to add to it, that was NARS Copacabana, by the way. We're going to go in with this NYX Roller On Shimmer, and this is like a very, very white highlight. I've never used it, so we're just going to put it on as a highlight. Don't worry, we're going to blend. Just because it's so pale, and I feel like this will add to the paleness. We just like blend a bit. I don't know. This is my first time using it, but I saw it and I'm like, oh, I never use this. This would be a good use for it. Oh, whoa, looks really good on the camera. Better than real life, guys. What we're going to do before we go into some eyeshadow around here and everything, I am going to switch out my contacts because I'm going to use my circle lenses. So we're going to just switch out my contacts and then my eyes are going to look already so much bigger. Okay, so my tip is to please put the contacts in at the beginning of the tutorial before you've put on makeup. Okay, now to move on to the eyes, we are going to go into the Tartelette palette, and she doesn't really have much eye makeup on, but to make the eyes look even bigger, I am going to add faux bags under my eyes. Not the way that normal eye bags are, but kind of just to give a definition. So we're going to go into Force of Nature. I do this sometimes if I want to make my eyes look bigger, and basically you just take it in the crease here and go under like that. This makes them look bigger. Then we're going to go into Wanderer, Natural Beauty, Dreamer, just like a mix of all of them. And also kind of come in the crease here. So now the last step of eyes is I'm going to go in with my mascara, and Sailor Moon has really, really dark lashes. I've been using actually a brown mascara recently, but hers look really dark. So I'm going to just go in with my Better Than waterproof mascara and put it on those lashes. What I like to do too recently with mascara is kind of like brush it out to the side to kind of give like a cat eye look, but with mascara. Oh my god, I look cute! And same with the bottom, just kind of brush them like to the side. And while these dry, because we're going to do another coat to really make them dark, I am going to move on to the final steps for the rest of the face, which is going to be lipstick. And because her lips are like very pale and they like aren't really there.
That's smooth though, to be honest.
I am going to go in with this flavored gloss from Victoria's Secret that's just like a very pale pink color. And I'm going to just go over my lips. It's actually kind of pretty. Also, one thing I just realized I forgot is I wanted to also define my chin, because her chin has like this little pout right underneath it. So we're going to go back into the Makeup Forever, sorry I forgot this, and right under here. Wow, that made a difference, I think. I look like I'm like... And now we're gonna just do the second coat of mascara. Honestly, this is kind of a look. Like, I might do this regularly. What? Okay, now we are going, to the last step, which is to add the little, like, blush things. I saw 3 in some photos and 2 in another. I might ruin the whole look with this. I hope not, but we're just gonna add, like, 3 right there. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, kind of like I'm blushing, ha. And this is with my Kat Von D tattoo liner. Okay, it's not perfect, but so there I am. Oh my god, it's kind of cute. I'm kind of living. Okay, so makeup is done. I don't have it with me, but usually I set my face with rose water. And now we're gonna move on to the wig. Oh my god, and I just got my hair bleached yesterday, so that's why my color is on point, honey. I cut the wig the other day. I don't think I did the best for it. Put it in the wig cap, which is the first step. They had like a video I watched because I was like, how the heck do I put on a wig? Kind of just put my hair up like that. Because I just got my roots done too, it should blend better with the wig. Oh, some of my hair's falling out. It's a really good wig cap they gave me. And they had both like a blonde one and a dark one. Okay, I just finished clearing up my space and now we are ready to put on the wig. So I already cut the bangs for the wig. So we're gonna see how I do. Whoa! Brushing out the hair. The bangs aren't perfect. It's the best we can do. So the hair is actually very beautiful. It's synthetic, but it feels pretty real. I styled them with heat and it worked like pretty decently, but we are not just keeping the hair at this. So what we're gonna do is open my jewelry closet. So basically, if you look at Sailor Moon's hair, how it goes is she has like 2 balls here and they turn into like pigtails. So first of all, I'm not going to do it all with like one piece. I am going to try to make these space buns. Oof, I did this the other day, but we don't know if I can do it good now. Oh my god, look, it's falling. Sorry, rest in peace to me. It's not too difficult, but I'm not very good. So take a hair tie. So that doesn't look too bad. It looks messy, but same. Now we're gonna go with the other one and do the same thing. Yay! I feel like a cosplayer. This is kind of fun. Do-do-do-do-do. Okay. Well, that's kind of cute. Even though it's off to the side, that's kind of a look. I'm gonna just try to secure that into the wig with some bobby pins quickly. Now we're just gonna do the pigtails. Oh my god, guys, it's looking good. Except for my hairline showing, but I'll fix that at the end. We're using pink ones, guys, because I realized like a red, like cool gem in her hair, and sadly I'm not good enough to have that. We're just gonna use this and pretend. Oh my, I think we're done. Honestly, if I was wearing this out, look how good the hairline looks. I feel like I'm Sailor Moon. I was gonna honestly be a different thing for Halloween, but look how cute this is. I'm being Sailor Moon for Halloween. I thought I was just gonna do this for the video, but no, guys. I am Sailor Moon for Halloween. Oh my god, okay. So that is the end of the tutorial, I guess. And the bangs aren't too bad. I had them like pinned so that they'd stay straight because they kept going up. And look how cute it looks. I'm so happy. So yeah, this is my costume tutorial or whatever for Sailor Moon. I hope you guys liked the video. Yeah, you guys can get the wig from trendywigs.com. And this one is called Elsa. I love it because it's long and like a bit wavy here so that it looks cute. And let me know if you guys tried this tutorial, if you guys tried the wig. And yeah, tell me in the comments what you guys are being for Halloween. I hope this video was fun for you. I haven't done like a makeup tutorial in so long. I need to do like an everyday updated one. Hey guys, I'll see you later. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a very fun Halloween. And I hope you guys like this video. So, peacing out from Sailor Moon. I will see you guys later. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful Halloween. Bye!